Hello everyone, for today's video you will be able to understand the word order of adjectives through the Scratch program. Building code with Scratch language program can make us to learn English really easily, and it will be really fun. You will be able to build the code and also practice English grammar. The order of adjectives in English follows a certain rule. Do you know what comes first? Adjectives? Noun? You can try to guess what comes first. Yeah, adjectives usually come first. Okay, let's look at the screen. This is the Scratch game that I made for us to understand the word order of adjectives easily. When you start the game, the balloons you can see on the screen, there are two yellow balloons, right? They will say some noun phrase which can be either right or wrong. Before the balloons go down onto the ground, you have to move your sprite to touch the balloon that's saying wrong phrase. The sprite is the dog on the screen that you can see. You have to move the dog to touch the balloon. Then, as you can touch it, you will gain 1 point. At the bottom of the screen, you can see scores setting as 0. If you reach the score 3, you will win this game. Be careful not to touch the balloon saying right phrase, because as you touch it, you will lose 1 point. Okay, now let's play the game. If I click this green flag button on the top of the screen, the game will be started. You will see what will happen to the balloons, and you can also use these arrow keys, 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move your sprite. Let's go! See, the yellow balloons are falling down and they are saying some noun phrase. Let's look at phrase fork thick. A fork, thick. Fork is the noun and thick is the adjective, which means the balloon saying fork thick is the wrong phrase. Then what we have to do is moving this sprite to touch the balloon. Let's begin this game. A flow thick. See, I gained 1 point on the scoreboard. I got 1 point. And if I click tired dad, I lose 1 point because tired is the adjective and that is the noun, which means the adjective comes first. Okay, let's play the game. Yay! Dinner warm. A dog weak. A dad tired. See, as I touched 3 wrong phrase balloon, I gain 3 scores and I win this game.